So what's going on today? Retarping my hay. We had some pretty good windstorms and tarp blew all to hell, shredded up some. And I'm gonna fix the cap on this shed because that blew off in one of those big winds. It's still attached, but just gotta get up there and put it back on. Yeah, let me tell you, that tarp was a well spent $300. But anyways, I got a piece of a off of a transport truck tarp. It's pretty heavy duty, so I'm gonna get up there, see what I can do with that, and try and pull this tarp up again, cover that some more, and I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. Should be a fun experience trying to get that done and say fix up my tarp, do the cap on that shed, and maybe get out to the woods and cut a few more logs. Alright, put the cap back on the shed, so the water out of there anyway, and that's that piece of old tarp, so get that up there, at least keep the rain and snow off the top of the hay anyway. Probably won't hurt it much in the edges. And see if I can get that, what's left of this, pulled up there and weight it down somehow. And I think I'm going to give up on this Dynabalance mower. Just never worked for me last summer. Just kind of got that weak spot there. Just keeps breaking every time I go out. So there's a cycle bar mower. It's in St. George. Looks like it's at a junkyard, but I think it's a Massey Ferguson by the look of the picture. There's no pulleys on it, so it's probably a Pitman arm drive, I hope. So long story short, I'm just gonna go look at that here soon, and as long as nothing's broke on it, I think I'll probably buy that. So I'm not quite ready for a hay bind yet. So anyway, better get this tarp on there. All right, good at that far. Just gotta find some more stuff to weight this down. Start dragging this side up and over. Say, do what I can to cover it, and other than a bit of surface wet, I think it's all right so far. It's a little discolored, but hay's gonna discolor anyway unless it's in a building. So, all right. So yeah, I gotta find some more stuff for weights and get back up there. All right, I think that's the best it's getting for a couple days anyway. And yeah, I wouldn't recommend a tarp to cover hay. Like, man, it started good, but it just didn't hold up. I don't think I'm gonna get to the woods today, so I'm just gonna shut the video down here. And next time I'm in the woods, hopefully tomorrow, we'll start doing some wood cutting videos again. Later.